The plaza opened in 1971 as the Union Plaza and was once the largest casino in the world. It's got such a rich history, and they've done a fantastic job blending that with some new incredible additions. One fantastic new feature is downtown's first smoke-free and social media-friendly gaming space. This is the world-famous Brian Christopher Slots area. A perfect spot for those who prefer a friendly, non-smoking gaming environment. The old classic valet area has been transformed into the new visually stunning Carousel Bar. A perfect spot for people watching or just grabbing a drink as you head on out to Fremont Street Experience. Walk through the main entrance behind the Carousel Bar, and that's where you'll find the Plaza Lobby and hotel registration area. This is also the location of the Hash House A Go-Go. Hash House A Go-Go is a popular brunch spot that is known for its twisted farm foods and massive plates with huge portions. And just as you enter the casino floor, there is one of my most favorite places on earth, Pink Box Donuts. Pink Box Donuts makes the best donuts in Las Vegas, probably the whole world. Pink Box Donuts offers over 70 types of donuts from classics to their signature creations. The casino at the plaza measures up at 50,000 square feet and contains 18 table games and over 700 slot and gaming machines. Just past the tables and the bar is the lavish Plaza Showroom. At the time of this recording, it featured Misbehaves Mavericks, a flirty, filthy, and fabulous blend of comedy, circus, burlesque, and variety. And next there is the Keno area and the Plaza Rewards Players Club card desk. Next, here is the cashier's cage, greatest job in the world. Here's the William Hill Sportsbook at the plaza. Here you can comfortably and conveniently make your wagers over the counter, through a betting kiosk, or simply on your mobile phone. and plenty of adult beverages are available right here. And in this corner of the plaza is where you'll find Pop-Up Pizza. Pop-Up Pizza is an intimate little spot that features New York style pies whole or by the slice. And here is the new Sand Dollar Lounge at the plaza. The Sand Dollar is a live rock and roll music venue with pool tables. And that's a walk around of the main casino floor, but wait, there's more. Let's head on upstairs. The Plaza Hotel and Casino Las Vegas has a rich history rooted in the city's origins. It stands on the site of the first Las Vegas Railroad depot where pioneers disembarked in 1905 to settle this fabulous city. And here's the famous Oscar Steakhouse. Named after legendary criminal defense attorney and Las Vegas Mayor Oscar Goodman. Oscar's offers seating in the domed lounge or the new patio dining area. The menu offers unique takes on steak and seafood dishes with a wide variety of fine wines and specialty cocktails. There is also a wedding chapel. Getting hitched at the plaza could be very convenient. Go up the escalator again to the third level, and that's where you'll find Super Bingo at the plaza. This bingo parlor seats up to 280 people and features 6 sessions daily. It is the only bingo hall in downtown Las Vegas. Back down in the lobby, there is a coffee bar that serves coffee, drinks, pastries, grab-and-go items, and gelato. There's also the Viva Vegas gift shop. In the food court, there is the Fresh Mexican Grill. They serve tacos, burritos, and bowls. And Just Rice, serving Thai-style noodles, stir-fry, rice, and curry. Yum yum. Thank you so much for watching. You can show support for this content by hitting the Super Thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Hey, tap one of these boxes up here for more Las Vegas content. Tap the center icon to subscribe, and you will receive notifications on future videos.